Namaste. If you have taken a quiz in the Gurukula app and you feel that you could do better in that quiz, it is very easy to retake the quiz. In the Gurukula app, go to any chapter that you have already taken the quiz for, and you will see a button called Retake Quiz. Now, if you go to a chapter for which you have not yet taken the quiz, this button will say Start Quiz, like in this case in chapter 2. But in chapter 1, because I've already taken the quiz, the button says Retake Quiz. And simply by touching that, you will be able to retake the quiz for chapter 1. Another way you can do this is by going to the home page and going to the hamburger menu on top, My Points, and if you see the Take Quiz tab, touch Mahabharata, you will see the buttons to take quiz for all the chapters, and for whichever chapters that you have already taken the quiz for, the button will say Retake Quiz, and you can touch that to retake the quiz as well.